I've been hearing about the Vietnam War since I was a kid. In the 1960s and 70s, news about the Vietnam War was on the TV nearly every night. I think it's fair to say that the legacy of that war, which killed more than 58,000 American soldiers and as many as 3 million Vietnamese, still haunts the United States. But now, incredibly, 50 years after the last Americans were evacuated out of Saigon, Vietnam exports more goods to the U.S. than to any other country. And here's another incredible fact. Nearly 30% of Vietnam's GDP comes from sending computers, electronics, shoes, furniture, and other goods to the United States. Big multinational corporations like LG, Samsung, Apple, Adidas, Foxconn, and many others are flooding into Vietnam. More than $100 billion in foreign direct investment has gone into Vietnam since 2020. So why are so many companies moving their operations into Vietnam? Well, there are three reasons. First, the country has a big working age population, which means labor is relatively cheap. Second, it's a big country. There's plenty of land to expand factories and other infrastructure. And third, multinational corporations are now wanting to diversify their supply chains out of China. But at root, what's happening in Vietnam is an electricity story. This chart shows how Vietnam's GDP has grown in tandem with its electricity use. That's not surprising. Always, everywhere, electricity use and economic development go hand in hand. And this chart shows over the past decade, Vietnam's coal-fired electricity generation has been growing by about 11% per year. That's the fastest growth on the planet. And Vietnam is now getting more than half of its electricity from coal.